gave myself 30 days and exactly $100. The mission: test the AI tools everyone on the internet claims will change your life and see if any of them actually put money back in my pocket. Here is what I tell you upfront. One of these tools completely wasted my money. I want a refund. Yes, I want a refund. But another one, I built something in 4 hours and sold it for more than my entire $100 budget. I review exactly which tool did that, but first, let me show you how this experiment went down. Look, I know why you click on this video. You have seen 100 people promise AI will make you rich and you are skeptical. Good, you should be. Maybe you have tried some of these tools before and get burned. Maybe you are sitting there thinking, this won't work for me because I don't have a big audience or I am not tech savvy enough. I get it. I've been creating content and testing tools for years now, and most of what's out there is garbage dressed up in fancy marketing. That is exactly why I run this test, to show you what's actually possible when you start with nothing but $100 and a little bit of time. 4 tools, yes, 30 days. Let's see what happened. Alright, first tool, and honestly, this one is different. I spent $19 on Opus Clip. If you don't know what it does, it takes long videos like podcasts, YouTube videos, webinars, and chop them into viral short form clips automatically. Here is why this matters. The algorithm on TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, it rewards volume. The more you post, the more chances you have to eat. But editing 10 clips a day manually, that is a full-time job nobody signed up for. So I tested it. I took 3 long-form videos I already had, nothing fancy, just talking head content, uploaded them to Opus Clip and let the AI work. What happened? It generated 27 clips in under 20 minutes, added captions automatically, even gave each clip a virality score, predicting which ones would perform best. I posted the top 10 clips over 2 weeks, and then one morning, I am not exaggerating, I woke up, checked my phone, and one clip had 63,000 views. I literally sat up in bed and said, no way, out loud. That's more views than my last 10 videos combined. Total result, 847 new followers driving back to my main account. Did I make direct cash from this? Not immediately, but attention is the first step. You can't sell to people who don't know you exist. Cost. Opus Clip generally costs $19. The time it takes me for this is just 20 minutes. And let me give you the verdict. This one is a weapon. Yes, it's a weapon. Quick question. Pause and drop a comment right now. Have you ever used Opus Clip before? Yes or no? I want to see who is already ahead of the game. Now, this next one, I almost didn't include it because I thought it was too simple, but the result made me change my mind. I spent $16 on Ideogram AI. It's an AI image generator, but here is what makes it different from Midjourney or DALL-E. It's insanely good at generating text inside images. Why does that matter? 2 words: print on demand, t-shirts, mugs, posters, stickers. All those products you see on Etsy, Redbubble with funny codes and design, most of them are made with AI now. So I tested it. I researched 20 niches: coffee lovers, dog moms, gym motivation, and used Ideogram to generate 15 designs in one afternoon. I uploaded them to a free print on demand platform. No inventory, no shipping. They handle everything. 30 days later, I made 11 sales. Total revenue, $87. After platform fees, I kept $43. Now, before you say, that is not a lot, I hear you. But think about this. I spent maybe 3 hours total. And those designs, they are still up, still selling every single month. One design that sells 5 times a month is $20 per month forever. Stack 20 of those, that is $400 per month from designs you made once. So now, I've got Opus Clip bringing me attention and Ideogram creating passive income. 2 pieces of the puzzle, but the next 2, this is where things get real. It costs $16 and the time it takes me 3 hours and the revenue $43 and counting. So when we should talk about verdict, underrated money printer. Alright, retalk for a second. The next 2 I'm about to show you, this is the one that actually shocked me. I almost didn't believe it worked until I saw the money hit my account. But let me be clear, this one requires effort, about 4 hours of work. If you are not willing to put that in, skip ahead. Skip. But if you are, this could change everything. I spent $40 on Lovable.dev. It's an AI app builder. You literally describe what you want in plain English, and it builds a full working web app for you. Front end, back end, database, everything. I know that sounds like a science fiction. I didn't believe it either. Here is what I built: a simple client portal, a page where freelancers can send project updates to their clients, upload files, and track progress. Nothing revolutionary, but something people actually need. It took me 4 hours to build. No coding, just me talking to the AI, tweaking things, testing, doing a lot of things. Then I did something that scared me. I posted it in 3 freelancer communities and offered it as a white label solution. Many other freelancers could use it for their own clients. I'm not gonna lie, I was nervous. What if nobody wanted it? What if they laughed at me? The result, 2 people paid me $75 each to set it up for them. That is $150 from a tool I built in an afternoon. Think about it. Opus Clip gave me attention, Ideogram gave me passive income, and now Lovable gave me a product I can sell over and over again. We are living in a time where you don't need to be a developer to build software. The people who understand this right now, they are going to be miles ahead by the end of 2026. This literally cost me $40, and the time I spent is just 4 hours, and this gave me revenue of $150. So let's talk about the verdict. This changes everything. Just get that. It's changed everything. Now, I promise you the truth. So here is the tool that completely wasted my time and money. I spent $25 on 2 Buddhist AI features. The AI title generator, thumbnail analyzer, all of it. The promise it will help me find viral topics and optimize my content. The result, generic garbage. The AI title suggestions were the same basic ideas I could get from ChatGPT for free. The thumbnail analyzer gave me vague scores with no reactionable feedback. And when we talk about the lesson I learned from this, just because a tool slaps AI on its features doesn't mean it's worth paying for. I'm serious. I'm damn serious. And this really cost me $25, and it gives me a return of $0. If we need to talk about verdict, skip it. Yes, skip it and use your ChatGPT instead. So here is the final breakdown. Total spent $100. Tools that deliver 3 out of 4. Total revenue generated $193. Net profit $93. Time wasted about 8 hours total. But here is what matters most than the $93. I now have Opus Clip's creative content that works for me while I sleep. I have Ideogram design selling passively every month, and I have Lovable products I can sell again and again. That is a full ecosystem built in 30 days for $100. AI doesn't make you rich overnight. Anyone who tells you otherwise is lying, but it gives you leverage. The ability to do in hours what used to take weeks. The question isn't will AI make me money? The question is what will you build with it? Start small, test with what you can afford, and build from there. If this was valuable, here is what I need from you. Drop a comment telling me which tools you are trying first: Opus Clip, Ideogram, or Lovable. I read every single comment and I reply to as many as I can. If you want me to do a full deep dive tutorial on any of these tools, smash that subscribe button so you don't miss it. And if you want to learn how to actually get ahead with AI in 2026, click the video on screen right now, and I see you in the next one. What's going to be? Don't thank me, and you wake up.